Systems, patented tools for the perfect brake job. You know, as complex as cars seem to be these days, they're actually pretty simple. It all boils down to one pedal makes it go, the other pedal makes it stop, and they're both equally important. The problem is it seems like more people know how to make it go faster than stop faster. That's what we're going to change. Now, a lot of you know that you have to change your fluid from time to time, purge the system. The question is, when do you do it? I mean, this isn't just something you look at the fluid and say it's dirty, it's time to change it. That is where these brake strips come in, because these measure the amount of copper in the fluid, and the copper level goes up as your corrosion increases, and high levels of copper can damage your expensive ABS systems in your newer vehicles. So, copper is not a good thing. To test, all you have to do is dip the strip into the fluid and wait for it to change color. The darker the purple it gets, the more copper you got in your fluid. As you can see, it's time to flush this system and put in some new fluid. Now, I know some of you are thinking, wait a minute, since when do I have to change my brake fluid all the time? And what's all this about copper? I've never heard of that before. Well, unfortunately, a lot of people don't realize that the brake fluid in your vehicle can go bad just like any of the other fluids in your vehicle. And when it does, it causes damage to your brake system. And what causes that damage is copper. Now, just recently, after extensive government safety testing, the Motorist Assurance Program, or MAP for short, established copper as the industry standard to determine when brake fluid replacement is required. So where does all that copper come from? Well, it comes from your brake lines. Now, I know they're made out of steel, but they are lined in copper. And as these things deteriorate, it puts copper into your brake fluid. And the brake strips are the only thing that's designed to test the amount of copper in your brake fluid. So, having some of these in your garage is a great way for the do-it-yourselfer to be able to know when it's time to change that brake fluid in that hot rod or that 4x4 or whatever he's working on. Now, for those of you that have a professional shop, these little strips can be a huge moneymaker for you, because you can test the brake fluid in a customer's vehicle and then offer a brake fluid flush if the car needs it. I mean, this is an almost untapped area. Millions of vehicles are going to need it, and it's something that should be part of every vehicle's maintenance program anyway. These give you the potential to make money. So, if you are serious about keeping your vehicle's brakes in top working condition, or offering your customers a complete brake system service, man, forget about the way you've done in the past. That's obsolete. You need to check out these tools from Bendix Systems at brakebleeder.com. They'll either save you money or they'll make you money. And that is what a good tool is supposed to do. Bendix Systems, patented tools for the perfect brake job.